Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iagino. Bitcoin, get the bigger perspective. This is starting to look pretty toppy unless we get a strong up move pretty soon. We're catching on the rotation zone, but can't really push above. Only got one push above the 12.5% retracement level. Pulling back deeper, closer to 50. Not really losing a lot of momentum here. So unless we get a really strong push, we're just going to start eyeing to the downside more and more and expecting a bigger sell-off. Just alerting everybody that in case we do, here's the targets. If we get it's interesting, if we get a close or an extended move below 86.52, we have a nice double top pattern. That would also put it below the 21-day moving average on the daily chart and probably get it if we doesn't trigger for a day or so more below the 50. Then we have some major targets to the downside: 8,094, 78.15, and 75.37. Again, those are areas we'll start watching for reversal patterns. Just want to let everybody know again that if you've not taken anything off the table, at least move up stops, because if we start to drop, you could see a bigger drop and it'd be beneficial to take something off the table and put it back on lower. A very similar pattern with Bitcoin Cash. Although this hasn't been able to hold the rotation zone, all rotation zones gone flat, which means we're in consolidation and congestion. If we drop, the first level support is 1333, and then there's nothing. We also have a potential double in here. Have not really been able to push above that 12.5% retracement level yet. So let's just zoom out to daily. Again, if you haven't taken any moves, just squeaks in with our double pattern. This is just the second peak is high enough to qualify. This one, the 21 wouldn't be out of the way, so it'd be a lower probability. However, the levels to the downside are 1052, major cluster about this 963, 966 area, then 877. So those are your downside targets you will be watching for unless we get a strong upward push. Watch if we do pull back to that 1333, that's where the 8 is on the daily. See if we can get any turn higher, and it would have to be a very strong push at this point because this is really starting to lose momentum also in similar ways to Bitcoin. So move up your stops to take advantage if we don't continue and we get that bigger drop, so you'll be able to take something off the table and put it back on at one of these lower levels. That's what we have for you on both on Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.